Hey guys, what's going on? Brian Wells with Ship My Cards. Wanted to go through a quick thing. I keep getting messages about combining shipments or adding to a shipment that's already in progress. So I wanted to go through a quick video. Shipmycards.com as always. Sign in with your username and password. From there, you'll come into your inventory screen. If you already have a shipment request pending, it's super easy to add to the new one. All you're going to do is submit to request for shipment. As soon as you do this, you're going to get this pop-up. This pop-up says, do I want to add it to a new shipment or do I want to use the shipment I'm already going to? All you have to do is click this second option, click OK. From there, it will go to your shipment request. Click the second option, click OK. It will go to your shipment request. After there, you can go into your current shipment request through your shipments. You will see your one that is still in request. If you click on that, the items that you just added to your shipment request will be there along with your other items. It really is that simple. There's nothing else to it. So we do not combine shipments. So if you already created one shipment request and trying to create a second one for insurance purposes and to kind of make the paperwork stay clean and tidy, we do not combine shipments, but it's very simple to add to your current shipment as long as it is still in the request stage. Once we've already pulled it and started verifying your file and things like that, it's a little too late to add to it. But as long as it's still in the request stage, super easy to add to your current shipment. If you have any questions, let me know at any time. I appreciate your time. Thanks, guys.